Hello, this is Taylor with Valleyscape in Marietta. Just wanted to talk today about a very important subject that we see come up often and often too late in the irrigation and lighting world. That is installing a sleeve. So what is a sleeve? A sleeve is a pipe that's open that typically will run under concrete or some sort of hardscape surface that allows access in the future. So if you need to run extra wire, you need to run more piping, whatever it is, it allows you the flexibility to do that. So often we see this not done, and we come in and have to be creative about ways to get the necessary product from one end to the other. So that gets expensive. Save yourself the trouble, put in sleeves. Even if you don't think you'll need them, go ahead and do it because you may need it in the future. And put in extra. Just take the time. Pay somebody like us to come out and tell them your plan, and they can help you figure out what you might need in the future. This project, they're going to have concrete from one side of by the house to the fence, so it'll be completely under concrete. So it's necessary to run the piping in the sleeve and the wiring as well to get to the backyard. They're having a pool put in. If you're having a pool put in, don't get too excited and don't skip steps. Just think ahead about what you might need in the future and make sure you get it done right. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.